So just been to Curry's, like I said before, and I've picked up this. So we'll do a quick unboxing and then a quick first use. Right, here we're gone. Let's get it open. One-handed. Fantastic. First time I've done one of these, by the way. Box. Bag. Instructions. Right, we'll open the bag up first. This is the main toy. Get in, look at that. It's a gimbal. So in the other little boxes you've got this little gadget thing. I think it's some sort of tracker and light, and the thing that goes on the phone. So it would sit over the phone and then attached to the gimbal. Right, and that's the gimbal, fully unloaded there. It's got a couple of little features on which look canny, such as the tripod legs. You've got like a selfie stick that's extender bit. So as you can see when you move it about anyways, the gimbal moves about and keeps the phone steady, etc, etc. But it needs a phone attached to it. So next thing to do, just have a little play with it in the house and then take it out for a little trial. Might walk the dog with it, see how that goes. Yeah, well, with the new gimbal, walking along with a daft dog, pulling his leg out. It's quite user friendly this. I haven't even looked at the instructions, but it's going to track my face and that. So it's alright. I suppose the more you use something, the better you'll get it. But I'll try and get some shots of the dog while we're walking along, because he's an absolute divvy. Sit, sit. I don't think it's actively tracking the dog, like, maybe it is, I don't know. Like I say, I can figure it out. So it also comes with a light which attaches to it, but I haven't brought it ever. I use it ever. First time on it, not a bad thing though. Can't wait to get this used more often. See how it runs. Jasper should have been a husky. Aye, seems pretty good. Just slide like that, walk down. Happy days. Like I say, should have put the light on. Never mind. Went for next time. Hope to be able to try this properly in the lakes this weekend. See how it goes. I'll take the drone up on this. If my car's alright anyways. We'll see. Yep, kind of user friendly. Like I say, first time using it. Moving hand around like that. It's alright, that like. Track your face and whatnot. Simple. Got left and right joystick up and down. Watch the crazy dog. Probably get a dog's point of view. Like I say, can only get better at it, so I'm happy with this.